Hello everybody, my name is Chelsea and I'm a Children's Services Assistant here at Clearview Library District. Hello, welcome back. Happy December, happy holidays. I hope that everyone is staying well and warm. I am here to announce our new Holiday Ornament kit. So this is the third one in our series. We did the Halloween shadow boxes, we did the Thanks for Giving, and now we are doing Holiday Ornaments. So same deal as last time, just call in and get your kit and we will put it out on the curb for takeout. We have 3 kits for you this year. We have a sled, we have a snowy owl, and we have a reindeer. So I'm going to quickly go through what we have in each of the kits for these and kind of just tell you guys how to put these together. And then we ask that when you are finished, if you want to share with us, please bring it back to the library. We will have a box for you to put it in. We will bring it inside, and then we are going to put it on our Christmas tree that we have in our large meeting room. You can see it through the window, so we're going to light it up at night with your ornaments on it, and it's going to be awesome. A really cool thing for the community to come through and check out. So if you want to share those with us, please bring them back with your name on the back. So that we can easily read it and we can get it back to you when we are done. So that the pickup for that will begin on December 28th. That's the Monday after Christmas. Okay, so in each of the kits, for the Snowy Owl, you are going to have a toilet paper roll, some white cardstock, a little piece of orange, a little piece of black, some glitter cardstock, and a silver pipe cleaner. And that is what this is going to look like. So you're just that's going to be how we hang it up. And you can glue that onto the back. And then we've got some awesome glitter, some white cardstock, some paint. The paint is really light, so you'll want to do a couple of different layers of that, okay? So just let it dry and then paint over it again. In the sled ornament kit, you're going to have 2 green craft sticks that are already green. You're going to have 5 of the little ones that you can paint. We've got some white paint in there. You can do it. I did red. You can use some marker, Sharpie, whatever you want. 2 different types of twine, and then some little jingle bells. So the twine is going to be your hanger, and then we've got some glue in there for you too. So you're just going to want to glue these all together. The 2 long ones on the bottom, 1 short one, some 4 across there. Some jingle bells. Again, use your imagination. It's your ornament. You do it however you want, but that's what you're going to have in that kit. And then if you get the reindeer kit, we're going to have 1 wooden slice. So that's what this is. Okay. You can see the wood on the back there. I've got my name on there. You've got some black glitter cardstock, some red foam, and then just use a marker to go ahead and put the eyes and the mouth on there. And then it comes with some twine. There's paint and glue in there for you as well. So again, decorate that. You can leave it the wood color if you want. There's some paint in there. You can do it any color you want. These are yours to enjoy, for us as a community to enjoy. So use your imaginations, get creative, have fun. And yes, so take your kit home, call for Library Takeout. You can grab those on the curb, and then when you're done, bring them back. We will hang them on our tree, and you can come by, bring your friends and family, and see the tree lit up at night with your ornaments on there. All right, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for doing this. We've really enjoyed doing this. A big shout out to the Friends and Foundation, once again, for providing all of the materials and the crafts supplies for us. We really appreciate them. And we hope that you have a safe and happy holiday. Thanks, guys.